Good morning, students. It's Pinky Yadav at Suraj School, Mahendragarh, as an English teacher standing here. So today we will discuss some examples of narration. In last video, I have told you some basic rules or some special rules, specific rules also, which all rules will be used today. So now I'm going to explain some rules. And I have already told you that what is a narration or reported speech. Narration is an art of reporting the words of a speaker. And there are two types of narration, direct or indirect. Direct means when we report the actual words of a speaker is called direct, and when we give the substance of the speaker's words is called indirect way. So basic rules, first of all we have to change reporting verb, and then we have to replace the comma also, and then pronouns and tense of reported speech will be changed according to the rules. So all these rules I have discussed in last video, which you have seen and read also. So today I am going to explain some other rules or examples, like he said to me, I will not go there. So now we will change into, it is direct way and we have to change into indirect speech. He said to. After reporting verb, it is reporting verb, these are commas, and this is the reported speech. So reporting verb, after the reporting verb, if there is an object, then reporting verb will be changed into told. Told me. Comma will be replaced into that, because of it is assertive sentence, and in assertive it is a negative of assertive sentence. So that is used here as a linker or conjunction, you can say. I, first person according to subject, he, I also have been used as a subject, and he is used here as a subject. He, this was the pronoun, and now we will change tense of this reported speech. Will, future indefinite, and in future we find always will or shall, and shall and will be changed into would in indirect speech. So he would not go there, full stop. Clear? Next, they said to us, they said to us, we have taken lunch, comma, this is reporting verb and this is reported speech, these are commas. Now first of all we have to change reporting verb and then comma and then pronouns and tense of reported speech. So let's change. They said to will be changed into told, because of there is an object after reporting verb. Reporting verb said to. Said to will be changed into told. Told us that we, first person plural, first person pronouns will be changed according to subject of reporting verb. Here it is first person pronoun and it will be changed according to subject of reporting verb. Subject they. They का subject क्या होगा? Nominative, because it is also has been used as a nominative case. So they का they. And now we will change tense. We have taken lunch. Have taken. Have taken. Which tense is this? It is present perfect. Present perfect will be changed into past perfect. So past perfect का structure क्या होगा? What is the structure of past perfect? Had plus V third. They had taken lunch. Full stop. And commas removed. Comma removed हो गए. This is the example of present perfect tense in reported speech. Next example, she said to me. She said to me, you are very lazy, comma close. And example must be changed. Different example. You take your class daily, comma close. Now again we will change reporting verb and then comma and pronouns and tense of reporting or reported speech. This is reported speech. Took your class daily. She said to will be changed into told. She told me. She told me. Commas will be changed into that because it is affirmative sentence, assertive sentence. Use second person according to object. Object क्या है? Me. And you has been used as here as a subject. And what is the subject of or nominative case of me? Me. Nominative case of me is I. I took your class. Took is second form of take and it is simple past tense, and simple past tense will be changed into past perfect according to the rules. I told you that if the reporting verb is in if the reporting verb is in past tense, the tense of reported speech will be changed into corresponding past tense, and corresponding past tense, present indefinite tense will be changed into past indefinite. Present continuous tense is changed into past continuous. Present perfect will be changed into past perfect tense, and present perfect continuous will be changed into past perfect continuous. So here it is simple past tense, and simple past tense will be changed into past perfect. Past perfect, what is the structure of past perfect? Past perfect had plus v third. It was past indefinite, and past indefinite will be changed into past perfect. Am I right? I had taken. Your second person pronoun will be changed according to object of reporting verb, and reporting verb object me. Your is possessive of second person, and me possessive case of me, my class, full stop. Here it was the example of future tense, I mean to say shall or will. Here I gave you example present perfect, and it is example of simple past. All these sentences I have taught you that how to change reported speech, how to change the sentences. Clear? These were the example of assertive sentence. Now I am going to explain the another type of sentence. Another type of sentence, I mean to say interrogative type. Interrogative. In interrogative, there are 4 changing we have to do. First of all, reporting verb. Reporting verb, if we find said to, it will be changed into asked. Asked, inquired, and demanded. Like this, we will change said to into asked, inquired, and demanded. Next number, comma. comma will be changed into if or whether. If or whether. Number third, pronouns. Pronoun will be changed according to Sun formulas. According to Sun formulas. SON upon 1, 2, 3. And number fourth, tense will be changed into corresponding past tense. Corresponding past tense. Clear? These are the basic rules which we have to apply when we change interrogative sentence. Clear? So rest of the example we will discuss tomorrow in the next video. That's all for